Good morning, children. As yesterday we discussed about the streams of home science, and I gave you brief idea about the streams and its various importance. Okay, today we'll continue with significance of the study of home science in day-to-day life. Home science, with all its branches, provide deep scientific knowledge to be aware of the problems faced in day-to-day life. It also initiates to solve these problems in a scientific manner and provides solutions for future also. Those insignificance of the study of home science will see that home science with all its branches provide deep scientific knowledge. Home science with all its branches provides deep scientific knowledge, and these scientific knowledge only helps us to face the problems in our lives in a scientific manner. It also initiates to solve these problems in a scientific manner, and in a way we can say that it also helps in solving the problems in a scientific manner and provides solutions for future, and at the same time solving the problems and provide solution for future also. So we'll see what is the scientific knowledge. The 20th century is the most advanced period in the field of science and technology. You know that 20th century is the most advanced period in the field of science as well as in the technology. Home science educates the students about the new scientific methods that can be used in day-to-day life. As we are talking about 21st century, home science also help the student to know about the scientific methods. What are the scientific methods, what their utilization, how well they can utilize it, how well they can implement it in their day-to-day life, and how well they are going to use it. Home science help the student in a way so that they may be able to do well in their upcoming work and upcoming careers. Then utilization of modern facilities. What are the facilities, modern facilities we have these days? Home science, through its formal and systematic approach. Formal, that is very formal, we have to do it very things in a very systematic way, and systematic approach. Whatever we are doing, we have to do it, we have to plan it, we have to process it, and then we have to implement it, देन वी हैव टू इवेलुएट इट. पहले हमें प्लान करना है, उसको अच्छे से प्रोसेस करना है, उसको अच्छे से वर्कआउट करना है, और उसके बाद हमें इवेलुएट करना है कि वो अच्छे से हुआ है कि नहीं. ओके. Systematic approach helps the student to learn about the modern facilities available in the field of fuel energy banking. Whatever the facilities are available, we have to see that how well we are using it, how well we are using the available facilities for the betterment of the home, for ourselves and for the country. Fuel energy, whatever the fuel energy, suppose example, simple example, cooking gas. Everyone has cooking gas, but in earlier times people were not having cooking gas, and when people started having this gas, some people were very cautious. They were not ready to accept it because they were thinking whether it is good or not. But now people are fully dependent on this cooking gas because it saves time and energy both, and we can do our things in a perfect manner at the same time in little time. Banking. Banking is a very important aspect in our life, and it plays a very important part also, because if we have our accounts in bank and all, we must have an idea about how to operate the ATM card and how to operate the bank systems, and what all terms and conditions we have to follow, because if we'll follow, we'll be benefited also. अगर हमने उसको अच्छे से समझा और उसको फॉलो किया तो हमें हर तरह से हेल्प मिलेगी. लेकिन अगर हम उसको नहीं समझेंगे तो हो सकता है हमें प्रॉब्लम्स भी आ सकती है. वी माइट हैव प्रॉब्लम्स, और क्या कहते हैं, हमें बहुत सारा जो है उससे नुकसान भी हो सकता है. तो वी हैव टू बी अवेयर अबाउट दीज थिंग्स, दीज न्यू थिंग्स, दिस साइंटिफिक थिंग्स विच आर कमिंग. हमें इनके बारे में अच्छे से जानकारी चाहिए. Economic independence. Home science helps the student to learn about the economy of time, energy, and money. The home science student, they have to learn about the economy of time, about the time which is very precious, because the time which is gone, it is not going to come back again. So we have to utilize the time in its best possible manner. And about the energy and money, the energy which we have to utilize it, because after that energy is gone, uh, that work will not be able to complete it in a better way. So we have to see that how well we are going to use the energy part. And money is also how well you are utilizing the money for the better purpose. If you are not utilizing the money nicely, you will not get the proper return, as they are becoming more valuable, and these things are becoming very important and valuable in our lives these days. The students get the knowledge to combine homemaking with wage earning in a successful way. Students are also getting the knowledge of homemaking with wage earning. What are wage earning? Suppose you start your own boutique. What happens? You are having your own business, at the same time you are having giving employment to many people, and you are giving them wage also, salary also. So this way it is, this home science is helping you to have the wage earning in a successful way, to creating your own business in a successful way. Prepares for the change to come and provide solution to household problems. What are things here? Industrialization combined with modern scientific discoveries has brought several changes. Before industrialization came, things were not very things were very simple. But as now the many scientific things have developed, modern scientific discoveries have come, several changes are there in the pattern of family life. बहुत सारे चेंजेस आ गए हैं हमारी फैमिली लाइफ के पैटर्न में. मोस्ट ऑफ द चेंजेस लाइक emergence of nuclear families. You have seen earlier times we used to have joint families, but these days mostly you will see that nuclear families are there. Very rarely you will see any joint families. A weakening of joint family system, lesser authority of the head of the family, and increased independence of women. Earlier, the head of the family used to be the very important person, and he was the one who used to take all the important decisions, and no other people, no other person staying in the family though were not involved in taking any decisions. Only he was the key person, and he used to take all the decisions. But later on it becomes, when the nuclear family started to begin, what happens, whatever decision used to be had to be taken, it used to be a combined effort of all the family people staying together. And then it was not like the earlier times that the head of the family used to take the authority and had to take all the decisions on their own. And increase independence of women. Earlier times, women were not at all independent. They were staying at home, all with all the family chores, all the home cooking, and all the whatever the work they had to do at home. They were busy in that. But later on, women started become independence, and they started to have their own career, and they started to have a good education, to have their own career, and create many psychological and cultural problems. And this started creating many psychological and cultural problems, because when women started to going out to work, what happens, people started creating psychological problems, that who will do this work, who will cook, and this and that. And also the cultural problems was that बहुत सारे ऐसे फैमिली के फंक्शंस और फेस्टिवल्स रहते थे in which basically women used to be involved. And earlier times they used to have many cultural activities in the home. But later on we see that these days we do have functions and festivals, but not like the earlier times. the environment the environment inside the and outside the homes are changing continuously, and the environment which we are having is changing continuously. Knowledge of psychology, sociology and other related subjects are imparted in home science to help the family members in understanding people. And also in home science we are also giving the knowledge of psychology, sociology, because these are things all are interrelated to homes, and different things related to homes and the work which is done in the home. That's why it was necessary to give them knowledge about economics. About in economics we know about learn about want, about money and so many other things. Then sociology and psychology, we have to understand the psychology of the family people staying together. And at the same time about the sociology, what's going on in the society and where we are staying, we have to know about it, all the things going on around us. So science to help the family members in understanding people, and thus bringing a balance between the home and the society. And in this way we are bringing a balance between the home and the society, because when we are staying in the society we have to maintain a balance between the society and the home, and we have to fulfill the requirements of the society also, because society is such a thing where we have to work on it to make it a better place to live, a place where healthy relationships should be there. Then preservation and transmission of culture. Preservation and transmission of culture. Homes always function as a production, distribution and consumption unit. About home it is said what? It is a place of production. We all produce many things, like whatever we have learned, we do the production part. Yeah, whatever, suppose we have started our own business, we are producing, and in a way we are distributing also. And when whatever being distributed or started in the family, it is being distributed equally between the members of the family. Whatever your mother has started about the family values and ethics, it is equally distributed between the children of the family. They are equally because everything is equally important for them, and the mother is the mother's responsibility that she makes them understand each things very nicely. And then as the consumption unit, and after the distribution unit, हाउ वेल वी आर कंज्यूमिंग इट, कितनी अच्छे से हम उन एथिक्स और वैल्यूज़ को हम अपने लाइफ में इन्वॉल्व कर रहे हैं, ले रहे हैं और उन पर चलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. सो वी हैव टू सी दैट फैमिली इज़ अ प्लेस वेयर वी प्रिजर्व द इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ अ कल्चर. हम अपने कल्चर को प्रिजर्व करते हैं और फिर उसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करके हम उसको कंज्यूम करते हैं और उसको ट्रांसमिट करते हैं टू अदर द जनरेशन. जो आपने अपने पेरेंट्स से सीखा है आप उसी को फॉलो करते हैं, बिकॉज यू आर ट्रांसमिटिंग दोज कल्चर्स एंड यू हैविंग दोज कल्चर फ्रॉम योर फैमिली. Always preserve the heritage and transfer it from one generation to the other in a careful way. इस तरीके से आप जो है इस कल्चर को एक जनरेशन से दूसरे जनरेशन को ट्रांसफ़र करते हैं. That's how you these days when you have any festivals at home, you see how your mother is doing, preparing things for the festival and what all she's doing for the house, what decoration part and what cooking part. You see everything, and later on when it's your time you try to implement it and follow that only. Utilization of science and art. Some home science combines both science and arts and teaches how to combine the two for a healthier and happier home. Home science is actually it is combined with science as well as arts. ये आर्ट्स और साइंस के दोनों तरह के सब्जेक्ट से जुड़ा हुआ है. दैट्स वाई इट इज़ सेड होम साइंस. और ये जो है बोथ साइंस और आर्ट्स जो होता है दे टीचर्स हाउ टू कंबाइन द टू फॉर अ हेल्दियर एंड हैप्पियर होम. ये दोनों को इसलिए कंबाइन कर दिया गया है ताकि जो घर है इट बिकम्स अ हेल्दी एंड हैप्पियर होम. क्योंकि whatever we do, everything is basically connected with science as well as with arts. दोनों चीज़ से connected घर को किया गया है और इसलिए हम इन सब चीज़ों को follow करते हैं. Creates awareness to live a purposeful life. Happiness of the family always depend upon the goals of better health. Happiness of the family basically depends upon the goals of better health. First of all, the prime importance of the goal of the family is that the better health. Proper nutritious diet should be given. Proper nutrition should be given to each and every member of the family. Better nutrition, better economy, everything should be given in a proper way in which they are required. ये नहीं कि हम उनको बहुत ज़्यादा दें या बहुत कम दें, जितना रिक्वायरमेंट है. You know their requirement in a better way. Being the homemaker, she knows the requirement in a better way, and that's how she completes the requirement. Best use of available resources. और रिक्वायरमेंट्स को उतना ही दिया जाता है जितना कि रिसोर्सेज प्रेजेंट है. Whatever resources are present in the home, you are well aware of it. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको अपने घर के बारे में पता नहीं. You know everything about your family, and whatever is being given to you, you know it, and you know the importance of it. Home science always awakens the students to look after the goals to attain family happiness. You are the key person to complete the family happiness. आप अपने परिवार की खुशी को बनाए रखने में आपका भी बहुत बड़ा योगदान है. If you will not do like this, what will happen? आपके फैमिली में हैप्पीनेस नहीं रहेगी. Suppose you want to buy something, but you know the family income and everything, you know whether it is possible for your family to do for you for that or not. So you have to see that what you are demanding, whether it is proper or not, and whether it will be possible for the family to do or not. You are the best person to judge, and you have to decide it. Realize realistic and practical education. Home science teaches through learning by doing, which creates permanent improvement in the minds of the people. और जो कुछ भी होम साइंस में हम सिखाते हैं, होम साइंस टीचर्स अस टू बी रियलिस्टिक, टू फॉलो द रियल थिंग, एंड ऑल्सो टू हैव द प्रैक्टिकल एजुकेशन. जो भी एजुकेशन हमें दिया जा रहा है, इट शुड बी प्रैक्टिकल, बिकॉज जो भी हम सीखते हैं वो हम प्रैक्टिकली फॉलो भी करते हैं इन अ डे टू डे लाइफ. तो वी हैव टू सी दैट इट शुड बी अ प्रैक्टिकल एजुकेशन, because it creates a permanent imprint in the minds of the people. जो knowledge हमें मिलेगी वो हमारे ब्रेन में imprint कर जाएगी, and we follow it according to that only. हम अपने काम को उसी हिसाब से करते हैं और follow भी करते हैं. Vocational values. Home science opens avenues for a number of professions which are purely वोकेशनल इन नेचर. होम साइंस जो है बहुत सारे इमेंस अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ ओपन करते हैं फॉर द पीपल हु आर डूइंग होम साइंस, एंड दीज डेज ऑल द मोर डोर्स आर ओपन फॉर होम साइंस. इतनी सारी चीज़ें हैं दैट एट टाइम्स इट गेट्स डिफ़िकल्ट टू डिसाइड कि हमें क्या करना है और क्या नहीं करना है. प्रोफेशंस विच आर प्योरली वोकेशनल इन नेचर लाइक डायटिटिक्स. और बहुत सारे ऐसे प्रोफेशंस हैं जो कि वेरी गुड वोकेशन वाइज, लाइक डायटिटिक्स है. अगर आप डाइटिशियन बनना चाहते हैं, यू हैव टू स्टडी डायटिटिक्स, नर्सिंग, टीचिंग, होटल मैनेजमेंट, टेक्सटाइल डिज़ाइनिंग, एंड many more things. So you have to decide your goal, what you really want to do it, and then this subject will help you out in completing your goal which you have in mind. Then self-reliance. Home science teaches to rely on oneself and develop self-confidence, because if you have a goal and if you want to complete it, home science is there to help you out to fully rely on yourself. पहले हमें अपने पर पूर्णतः भरोसा रखना है. We have to have full confidence in ourselves, then only will be able to implement those things, and then we will be able to complete, and then we will be able to have a goal ऑन सेल्फ एंड डेवलप सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस. हमें अपने पे सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस होना चाहिए, हमें अपने पे ट्रस्ट होना चाहिए. और जब हम ऐसा सोचेंगे कि हम कर सकते हैं, and if you are giving 100%, surely you will get it. It richly combines the to build personality and character. And when you are you know that you have a goal of your own, and you have the self confidence that you will be able to do it, and it will help you to build personality and character. Your personality will be developed, your character will be strong, which ultimately paves way to meet the challenges of the life. And this, the development of personality and character which has developed, it will help you to मीट द चैलेंजेस ऑफ द लाइफ. और जो जो challenges आपके लाइफ में आएंगे, जो रास्ते में बहुत वट एवर स्ट्रगल्स विल कम इन द वे, इट विल हेल्प यू टू tackle with it and then to move on. Contribution to different organizations. Home science education has professionalized to contribute its might टूवर्ड्स इम्प्लीमेंटिंग वेरियस नेशनल प्रोग्राम्स. और होम साइंस में जो है बहुत सारे नेशनल प्रोग्राम्स हैं, बहुत सारे नेशनल नॉन NGOs हैं, नॉन गवर्नमेंट एजेंसीज़ हैं, जो बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम्स को, प्रोजेक्ट्स को बनाती हैं, और लोग उस प्रोजेक्ट को कंप्लीट करते हैं फॉलोइंग दैट प्रोजेक्ट, सो दैट थ्रू दैट प्रोजेक्ट मेनी पीपल विल बी बेनिफिटेड. तो यहाँ पे बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं, बहुत सारे शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स हैं, IRDP, ANP अप्लाइड न्यूट्रिशन प्रोग्राम, और ये बहुत सारे जो ये शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स हैं. टुमारो I'll give the full forms of all these things, and then I'll give you a little bit of assignment, and you can learn these things. Towards program like health and planning program, these are the programs which are health and planning programs, post harvest programs, save grain campaign etc. for the development of the nation. और जो गवर्नमेंट के प्रोग्राम्स होते हैं, these are basically for the people who are staying in the rural areas, so that not basically mainly for the rural areas, but some programs are basically for the rural area people, so that they will able to follow it nicely. हार्वेस्ट प्रोग्राम में क्या होता है, हार्वेस्टिंग, जो हम अनाज की हार्वेस्टिंग करते हैं, कितने अच्छे से हम हार्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं. गवर्नमेंट प्रोग्राम्स में प्रोजेक्ट चलाए जाते हैं, उनको साइंटिफिकली जो मशीन्स होती हैं वो अवेलेबल कराई जाती हैं, ताकि वो उन हार्वेस्ट प्रोग्राम्स को अच्छे से किया जा सके. जो भी हमारा अवेलेबल अनाज है वो वेस्ट नहीं हो, और उसका प्रॉपरली हार्वेस्टिंग हो सके. सेव ग्रेन कैंपेन, और ग्रेन्स जो होती हैं उनका वेस्टेज नहीं हो सके, उनको हार्वेस्ट करने के बाद उनको अच्छे से कलेक्ट किया जा सके और उनका प्रॉपर स्टोरेज किया जा सके, ताकि फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ नेशन, ताकि हमारा नेशन जो है एक डेवलप्ड नेशन कहलाए. ठीक है. तो दीज वर द पॉइंट्स ऑफ द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ द स्टडी ऑफ होम साइंस, and we saw so many 11 points in this, and these all points are very important. I don't know, children, whether you are having book or not, but still, as I have given you, as I have read from the book, and I may try to and make you understand it, so I think it will help you. And tomorrow we'll see which are the career options in home science, and then I'll give you a little bit this short forms, and then I'll give you a small assignment for you to do it. Okay. So please listen to the video nicely, and wherever you have any problem, please let me know. Okay. Thank you.